Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at BrokerJet. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. BrokerJet is a licensed straight-through processing broker which was founded in 2018 by a group of professional traders, investment managers, and software engineers, and is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Cambodia, or SECC. This broker offers a wide range of instruments, free trading tools, and competitive trading conditions. User accounts have negative balance protection and are protected by SSL encryption. There are no hidden fees, and BrokerJet adheres to strict anti-money laundering policies. Creating an account with BrokerJet is easy, and you can get all the latest market news directly from the website. BrokerJet offers more than 100 Forex currency pairs, and you can also trade over 70 stocks and a variety of commodities with this broker. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with BrokerJet, click on the Instruments tab. BrokerJet offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. You can find all the information you need about the account types and trading conditions this broker offers by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage highlights some of the perks of being a BrokerJet client, and you can find all the latest market news further down the page. BrokerJet provides 24-hour customer support in 10 languages, and all clients will also have access to a personal account manager who will help them manage their accounts and answer any questions they might have. They previously offered 3 types of accounts. However, all the best features have been combined into a single trading account that you can use to trade all the available instruments. The standard account is beginner-friendly. However, a minimum deposit of at least $100 is required to open this account, so we only recommend trading on this account if you can afford the higher financial risks. With this account, you will have access to 24-hour support in 10 international languages, and you can connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. You will also get free trading tools and educational resources, a variety of charts, and updated market news. BrokerJet does not charge any commission fees on this account, so we have reason to believe that this broker offers fixed spreads. BrokerJet also offers a demo account with a $10,000 virtual balance. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions BrokerJet offers, click on the Accounts tab. Your BrokerJet Live and demo accounts can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005. And this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and so much more. This platform comes with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, and so much more. Download links for the MetaTrader 4 platform can be found under the Trading Platforms tab. Creating an account with BrokerJet is simple and easy, and this broker provides an easy-to-follow guide on how to set up and register your account. you can find this guide under the About Us section and selecting How to Register. Currently, there are no educational resources on the website. However, you can find plenty of helpful information about trading basics on their FAQ page. If you are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can also find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. BrokerJet also provides a trading glossary that you can keep on hand when you come across any unfamiliar terms. You can fund your BrokerJet account using credit and debit cards or bank wire transfer. It appears that card payments are restricted in some jurisdictions. However, you can make a secure deposit into one of the BrokerJet bank accounts. Your account can be funded using euros, pounds, or US dollars. BrokerJet's bank account details can be located on the Deposit Methods page. Overall, BrokerJet is an upcoming broker that offers competitive trading conditions and dedicated customer support. There are more than 170 instruments that you can trade with BrokerJet, and we would recommend this broker if you are interested in adding stocks or Forex to your investment portfolio. So if you are interested, be sure to open an account with BrokerJet today to get a head start in your trading career. And that is our overview of BrokerJet. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.